updating the Salesforce Opportunity Stage using Aircall Tags is a great way to minimize manual after-call tasks for agents. When combined with Salesforce automations, these tags can trigger automatic updates to the Opportunity Stage based on call outcomes, which ensures real-time accuracy and consistency. Here I have an open opportunity associated to an account. The opportunity is currently at the qualification stage. I launch a call to the account contact, and the outcome of the call indicates we are proceeding through the sales cycle and into the negotiation stage. In my notes, I have added the discussion points from the call. These will be automatically logged on the call task in the opportunity. I then add my tag, Opportunity Negotiation. I end the call and correctly exit out of the call ended screen. With a quick refresh of the page, I can see that the opportunity stage has been updated to negotiation. Without the need of any manual updating to the opportunity after my call has ended, I can move right on to my next call task. Let's look at how I set this up. Beginning on the Aircall dashboard, I have created 3 tags that represent 3 critical stages of my opportunity as it moves through the sales cycle: Opportunity Qualification, Opportunity Negotiation, and Opportunity Closed Won. Next, we navigate into Salesforce. For those not familiar with creating Salesforce flows, navigate to the Salesforce setup page. Search for and select Flows under Process Automation in the quick search bar. From the Flows page, select New Flow. Then select Start from Scratch. The type of flow we wish to create is a record-triggered flow, which launches when a record is created, updated, or deleted. For our use case, we will be using the call task created by the Aircall phone call to trigger our workflow. In my flow, I have 3 steps: the trigger, the decision, and the update records action. Looking at the trigger, my triggering object is the task object, which is what Aircall logs calls as. I want to trigger the flow based on when a task object is created or updated. My 3 entry conditions for this task are: the call disposition field that stores Aircall tags on the task object contains a tag that includes the word opportunity followed by an underscore. The call ID field must be populated. This is the unique ID of the Aircall phone call. And finally, the what ID starts with 006. 006 is the object key prefix for the opportunity object. This proves that the call task is related to an opportunity. My next step is a decision, which allows for branching. In our previous step, we set a condition that the tag must contain the word opportunity followed by an underscore. But what happens after that, since we have 3 different tags with the word opportunity, but they all represent different stages? The decision step is where we create a branch and an outcome for each individual tag. Here I have created an outcome for each tag. For my qualification stage, my condition requirements are that the call result field of the triggering task must contain the tag opportunity underscore qualification. It is only to be executed if the condition requirements are met. I have then repeated this for my 2 other stages. Negotiation must contain opportunity underscore negotiation, and closed won must contain opportunity underscore closed underscore won. As you can see here, this has created the branches for each possible outcome, which is a reflection of the 3 stages. Once the call task is enrolled in the flow, it will decide which branch to go down based on the tag being used in the call result field. To complete our flow, I have added the relevant update records action to each branch. Let's look at the qualification branch. Under How to find records to update and set their values, I want to specify conditions to identify records. The object being updated is the opportunity, and in the Filter Opportunity Record settings, we are using the opportunity ID connected to the call task that triggered the workflow. In the Set Field Values for the opportunity records, we want the stage field to be updated to qualification. Please note, if you have mandatory fields in place that need to be populated before the opportunity stage can be updated, please add them in this section here. I then repeat this action for my 2 other branches. The negotiation branch stage will be updated to negotiation. the closed won branch stage will be updated to closed won. Click on Save and select Run to activate your flow. After activating, the next time your agents use the relevant tag, the opportunity stage will be automatically updated. Automating this critical step for agents minimizes manual entry and after-call work, allowing them to move ahead with their next prospect. Additionally, it provides real-time updates and clear tracking of opportunities for managers and supervisors.